There's been a way to rank your videos based under your nose the whole time. And there's two powerful ways you can use it, so stay tuned to the end. The second one is easier than the first one. So what's been under your nose the last at least 2 years? It's called YouTube Insights. And it's YouTube's way of competing against TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Morning Fame. So the first way to use Search Insights is to think of your needs. You really like the second way to use Search Insights. So back to the first way, you're typing your needs, then your video searches will come related to your needs. See, what's cool about this is it's what people are interested in your needs are searching for. Not behind it all, there's a change for content gap. This means people are interested in your needs, you search for something but can't find it. So you can make a video that everyone's looking for. Now, the second way to use search insights is if you want to have viewers watching the videos, then you can see what they're searching for and what they're searching for. So if you want to know what my SEO, click this and watch this playlist here. And I'll see you there.